Y'all, it's time. It's time. Look at this. Do you see this new growth? I can't keep stretching this, so what I'm about to do is cut these braids out, take these braids out, wash my hair, dye it, and style it. So this is gonna be a process over a couple of days because it's gonna take me some time. Here's my little hack that I like to do when I have braids. Get a pair of dull scissors. If you use dull scissors, it takes longer to cut. So if you accidentally cut your real hair, you'll be able to save more hair than if you use a pair of sharp scissors. One down, so many more to go, y'all. I'll be right back. Voila, y'all. I look like Wolverine, I know, but we got the braids finally taken down. It is the end of the day. The sun is going down, child. Even though this took me all day, y'all, I had to show you the back of my head where you see all of the blackness at, y'all. That used to be dyed as well. So my hair is definitely growing out, and I have not washed my hair. All I did was use the comb to, make sure I didn't have any tangles before I washed my hair. So yeah, definitely has some new growth. I don't have no flakes, y'all. Like, look, no flakes. No flakes. I showed y'all a video of how I wash my hair with braids in. So this is how I'm able to achieve, not having like clumps in my hair when my hair is braided. So when I take it down, like I don't have that, like that yucky white residue that's in my hair, or that will typically be in your hair, just because I wash my hair while my hair is still in braids. It's the next day and I am about to wash my hair. Now you're probably like, Ronya, why are you washing your hair in this white shirt? Y'all, this is an old shirt. See the hole in the back? So don't worry. I'm going in with the Plex first. And I don't know if you can tell, but my hair has some straight strands in it right now. I am going to have to cheat on my boyfriend Kroger bag. I'm going to go ahead and just use this regular plastic cap. I have not been able to use one of these in years. But since I recently cut my hair is much shorter, I am able to fit all of my hair in the plastic cap. Now, as you can see, my hair does look shorter, and that is because I went in and cut some more. My hair did still have some straight pieces at the end, and I wanted to even up my hair from the color part in the non-color part where it was dark. So I just went in with the scissors and cut it a little bit more evenly to get rid of those straight pieces that I had damaged previously. My wash day routine is pretty simple. I'm going to be using the Bond Bar shampoo and the Bond Bar conditioner. I will leave a link to all the products that I'm using in the description box below for those of you who are curious. But yeah, just shampoo, conditioner. I just finished washing my hair and voila, this is just a t-shirt. And before y'all come for me, talk about I done wasted another white shirt. Y'all, this is an old measuring white shirt. Like, that's how long my hair used to be, where that mark was. So don't worry about it. You'll be okay, just add some bleach to it. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. As you can see, most of the color is pretty much gone now. So it's like a blonde color. So now I'm like, do I want to go ahead and dye my hair all black? Just go back to basics? Do I want to do some color? Do I want to keep this gold color? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do, because I don't know. I kind of like the blonde look, but then back to black would be cool. And then doing some other color would be cool too. So I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. After thinking about it for quite some time, I decided to leave the back blonde. So I was like, let me go ahead and try to get my part as good as possible. And y'all, the back of my head is like real coily, real tight. So it took me forever to try to get this part as straight as possible. And it's still not all the way, but all of the bleach part at the bottom is what I cared about. So what I did is I just braided that up. And then I proceeded with the hair coloring process. At Target looking good and crazy because I didn't realize you can't put black dye on top of bleached hair. You gotta do a filler color first. I have black dye, did not have a filler color. So yeah, And you know what? I'm a rock my look proudly because I'm a woman on a mission. And if y'all saw a black girl in Target with a white shirt on that got color stains on it, just know, yes, it was me. It was me. So I'm back, y'all. This is what I ended up getting. You know your girl had a coupon at Target for this. So this is like Natural Instincts. The color is medium warm brown. I'm gonna link everything in the description box if y'all wanna see what I did. But basically, I'm gonna put that on this part. And you're probably like, why do I still have this color right here? I think I'm going to do something with this in my underneath right here. A different color, I think. I know. So you're supposed to use petroleum jelly or Vaseline around your edges just to prevent, you know, any irritation. When I went to the $1.25 tree store, y'all, this is all that they had. It's creamy. They didn't have the regular non-creamy petroleum jellies, so that's why I was like, I know, like, y'all just bear with me. Anyway, this is supposed to help prevent irritation, but if you've been following the channel for a while, you've seen me dye my hair with the henna before, with just the indigo, because I am so sensitive to hair dye that it breaks me out every time, no matter what. So even though you see me doing this, just know that I'm gonna break out, and I'm gonna make sure I show y'all, because this hair dye, like when I do the box dyes, it just breaks me out. Since this is a filler color, I'm not really being too particular about it, because I'm gonna just put the black on top of this. But this is the brown filler color.
And action.
I didn't want to get any hair dye on the camera, so I did ask hubby to come push start record for me. But as you can see, it is starting to get darker, and now this is the end result. Hello, I am back. It is 2 days later. We went to the parks yesterday, so my hair is like sorted out and everything. But this is how the brown turned out. As you can see, it's definitely a different color, but remember, I only put the brown on as a filler, so now I'm about to go in with the black on top. I will be using this hair dye. If anyone out there that's watching this video, if you're like real sensitive to hair dye like myself, because I tend to break out or get itchy, this hair dye does not have the is it PPE, PPD? One of those words. I'll put it across the screen, child. But I can leave this on my hair and my scalp and I don't break out. So this is a good brand. I'll also leave it in the description box below. But this is the one I'm gonna be using. It's jet black, and I will put that throughout my hair. I'm gonna leave these 2 pieces right here, and I'm gonna leave the underneath. Y'all, oh my gosh, like, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm really feeling the little swoop-de-doo and I feel like Betty Boop a little bit. Look at my little, look at my little puff, y'all, back there. It's just like that big, but it's still cute. I'm gonna try to style it maybe tomorrow and see how it looks down. But I do have like the streak of blonde right there, and then like streak blonde, and then of course the underneath is blonde. Now, the one thing I do want to tell y'all, because you know I'm open and transparent with y'all, is that brown dye, not the black one, but the brown that I did as a filler, it did break me out. Even though it said natural, it got that PE, PPD, whatever it is, inside of it. So you can kind of see like right there, it did irritate my skin, and it has some of my ears too. It got like cauliflower ears a little bit. But what I'm doing is just putting, you know, some A&D ointment on it, not scratching it, don't irritate it, and just keeping it wet, and it'll heal up in a couple of days. But I'll show you how my hair looks once I wear it down, whenever that is. I attempted to do a wash and go with my freshly cut short hair, and I'm feeling it. I like the blonde in the back. I like the little blonde streak. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, y'all, this is my hair styled. You can see like my little blonde piece right there, just chilling out, but babe in the background. As y'all can tell, the room look different. We on vacation, okay? So this is me standing in front of the window in the hotel room, but yeah, like, this is my hair. So thank y'all so much for watching the video. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Until next time, peace.